Ramey, it's your deal, your way.
Come test drive the 2020 Camry Hybrid. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and a great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, autonomous braking, rear view camera. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
For years, Ramey Auto Group has been doing the deal with our customers.
We do the deal.
Times are changing. We're still doing the deal, just better.
Now you can shop online and do your deal your way, from shopping to valuing your trade and negotiating a price. You can do it all from home. Ramey is making your deal easier and giving you the most convenient car buying experience around.
Most of our customers that start their deal online are in our showrooms less than an hour and on the road in no time.
So check us out at yourdealyourway.net and find a new way to do the deal only at Ramey.